guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to make this quick little video to welcome you guys to my very first Vlogmas, and this is kind of just a little challenge that I made to myself to see, to prove to myself that I can do 25 days of vlogs and videos. Now, you guys know that I'm not a vlogger channel. I do a lot of like fashion videos and sit down videos reviewing products. So this is going to be a mix of all of that. It's not going to be just vlogs, but it is Vlogmas season. So everything's going to be titled different, it's going to be different Vlogmas videos, but it's not all going to be just vlogs. So it's going to be a mix of try on videos and sit down videos and fun holiday videos. So this is my first year doing this, and I really hope that you guys enjoy this. And yeah, so just bear with me as I learn as I go. I am not a professional vlogger, but I do enjoy the holiday season, and I want to share with you guys, the little things I'm going to be doing here and there. I'm going to be doing some like Christmas parades that I'm going to be going to, so I'll try to bring you guys along with me. And today I just wanted to kick off the Vlogmas season with the Christmas tag, which is just a lot of really cool holiday questions, so you guys could get to know a little bit about me and about the holidays that I enjoy. So, and how I celebrate and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to hit like and subscribe if you enjoy this video. So welcome to my Vlogmas, and I wanted to kick off the Vlogmas and holiday season with one of my favorite videos to make, and that is the Christmas tag. So basically it's a couple of Christmas questions, just a cool way to kick off the holiday season. And I have done these before on my channel, and you guys seem to like them, so I wanted to make a new one for 2019. So the questions, I'm going to be reading them off of my computer, so I'm looking away. It's because I'm reading them. The first question is, what is your favorite holiday movie? Oh, God, I have so many. Okay, so I want to say my #1 holiday movie would be Elf. Elf is definitely a favorite of mine every holiday. I also like, I love all the Hallmark movies. I've been binge watching Hallmark Christmas movies since like the beginning of November, and it's like my guilty pleasure, but I freaking love Hallmark Christmas movies. So yeah, I would say I also love the one with Chevy Chase. I think it's called National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. It's an old movie from like the 80s or 90s, but it's definitely one of my favorites. It's the one with Chevy Chase. So I think it's called Christmas Vacation or National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. It's such a good movie. You guys got to see it. Okay, so what's your favorite Christmas color? I have two, but I want to say my favorite is hunter green. I also like red, like this kind of red or a deep red, and also like that hunter green. That's just such a beautiful color for Christmas. It's definitely one of my favorites. Do you like to stay in your PJs or dress up for Christmas? I would say both. I like PJs, but I do like to dress up, but I don't really go anywhere on Christmas except like I cook. I cook like a big meal and I watch Christmas movies. So, I mean, I do like to dress up maybe just for like one day. If you could buy one person a present this year, who would it be? Of course my kids. Like that's always the given. Like my kids is usually who I love to buy Christmas presents for. That's let's see. Do you open your presents on Christmas Eve or Christmas morning? Usually Christmas morning, but I let my kids open one gift on Christmas Eve. And my little one sometimes gets away with opening gifts weeks ahead of time. He just like always convinces me to give him his gift early, like guilt tripping and all. But yeah, usually what I like to do is give them, I have a hair on my face. Okay. I like to give them one gift on Christmas Eve and the rest on Christmas Day. Let's see. Have you ever built a gingerbread house? Yes. And I don't buy or build gingerbread houses here because a couple years ago, my son, when he was little, had like an incident with eating one of the mints, and he choked on it, and it was a terrifying Christmas disaster. So now I don't buy them because he doesn't know how to eat hard candies and he's 14, but it's a whole mess. Okay. What do you like to do on your Christmas break? Well, I mean, I'm not in school, so I don't get like a Christmas break. But I love to watch Christmas movies during the season. So if that answers that, I love to watch all the Hallmark movies. I like to decorate. I like to, I don't know, burn Christmas candles, bake, make like Christmas drinks. I love to do all of that. So let's see. Do you have any Christmas wishes? Yes. I wish for people who are struggling with their health, for healing, for children who don't have like food or, you know, toys. I wish that, you know, they have a good Christmas and they end up like having something to eat, having meals, having a roof over their head, being warm. Just those things are really important. I've been wanting to like volunteer at like a domestic violence shelter or a shelter that has families and children. I don't know of any in my area, but that's something I've been really wanting to do. So I think I'm going to look into it. I would love to be able to volunteer and help out with Christmas or even just donating things. That's just something that I really want to do. The next one is, what's your favorite Christmas smell? My favorite Christmas smell is cinnamon everything. Cinnamon spice. This candle that my son got me for my birthday from Dollar General smells amazing. I didn't think it was going to smell because I've bought candles from Dollar General and they don't smell at all. But this one, you guys, it's amazing. It's frosted cinnamon. This smells up the whole room like cinnamon. I love the smell of cinnamon. Even those like cinnamon brooms, I've been wanting to get one of those. So definitely cinnamon. Favorite Christmas meal or treat? Favorite Christmas meal, I would have to say I love rice with gandules. I made this already for Thanksgiving, but it's kind of the same. Rice with gandules. I love turkey, but I also love pernil, which is like when people make like pork. Puerto Ricans make pork on Christmas. Pernil. We like pasteles. You're gonna have to Google these things because I can't even like explain what they are, but it's just so good. As far as like favorite Christmas drink, it's actually on here as well. Okay, so my favorite Christmas drink is coquito. If you've been following me on social media, I've posted pictures of like the drink. It's called coquito. It's basically made out of like coconut cream, coconut milk, evaporated milk, and condensed milk. There's recipes online for it. You blend it all together. You can also put cinnamon. It's coconut cream of coconut. And you blend it all together and you add Bacardi rum and it's called coquito and it's delicious. Way better than eggnog. It's really sweet, but it's like a traditional Puerto Rican Christmas drink and we love it. And I made a bunch for Thanksgiving. I'm still making it. Like I make it all the way until Christmas is over, all the way to New Year's. So it's really good. Let's see. What holiday do you celebrate? I celebrate Christmas and New Year's. But we really don't like go out and party or go visit people out of town. We just kind of, you know, have our own little tradition and celebration at home. And what are you doing for the holidays this year? Probably cooking and, you know, watching Christmas movies with the kids. Going to see the Christmas lights. There's actually a bunch of Christmas parades coming up, so I do want to add that to my Vlogmas. There is a Christmas parade this weekend that I want to go see, and then there's like a light festival in like a few weeks, so I want to go see that as well, like a Christmas stroll. I love doing all that stuff. I absolutely love it. Let's see what else. What is your, okay, candy cane or gingerbread man? I would say gingerbread man. They're just so cute. What's your favorite holiday song? Oh, my favorite holiday song would have to be Jingle Bell Rock. And it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. The Michael, I don't want to butcher his name, but I think it's Michael Bobble or Michael Bublé. I'm not sure how you say his name, but that version of it. It's a really pretty song. What's the weirdest gift you've ever received? Weirdest gift. I would probably say like a Secret Santa that I've gotten like through old jobs. Like, I want to say like some weird, it wasn't even like a Bath and Body set. It was like these really, really hard decor body bath washes, but they weren't like the ones you could actually use in the bath. It was just like for decoration. They looked like really, really old school. I don't know. It was just weird. Okay. Have you ever made a snowman? Yes, I have. What is your favorite winter fragrance? Right now I'm using the Bath and Body Works Dark Kiss, but I do like anything that's like winter, like the Bath and Body Works body sprays that are specifically Christmas season type. There's one called Twilight Woods that smells really good. And like vanilla. I like the Christmas ones. Peppermint. I like all of those. What is at the top of your list this Christmas? Completing 25 days of Vlogmas. And even if nobody watches this video, because I know that I have a lot of male followers and they're watching me because they're trying to like see my body, not because they actually enjoy what I have to say. So if only 10 women watch this video, and I can prove to myself that I can get through 25 days of Vlogmas, this is kind of a challenge that I'm doing to prove to myself that I can do it. And just because I thought it'd be so fun for me, like it'd just be fun. And hopefully you guys enjoy this video. So that's kind of like my top of my list is completing Vlogmas. It's just a fun little challenge for me. What is most important to you about the holidays? Spending time with my children, you know, making memories with them so that when they're older, they can look back and remember that, you know, their mother loved them, and that just the importance of getting together and being grateful for what we have. And it's not even about the gifts, it's about the peace in our home and the love that we have for each other. So I just want them to instill those, you know, those things in them so that when they grow up, they will always have that and get together and just love each other. So with that being said, that's all I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this little first Vlogmas and Christmas tag video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow for day 2 of Vlogmas.